Faria, and my job title is lecturer in computer science at Aston University. I'm with the School of Engineering and Applied Science. My research topics are cognitive robotics, artificial perception, and applied machine learning. I apply this kind of topics, artificial perception and machine learning in autonomous vehicles in order to detect obstacles. So it's quite important to try to perceive the environment. So the idea is to extract information from sensors like LiDAR lasers, cameras, in order to perceive the environment, surround environment of the autonomous vehicles. So it's quite important to perceive if we have people walking, for pedestrian in front of the cars, or some other dynamic obstacles. So my research is focused on detecting and recognizing these objects, and also to give some intelligence for these vehicles in order to make autonomous decisions. So we need to think about the positive sides, but we need to think about events that might happen, and we need to think about these kind of issues in order to have something that can really work in a real environment. If we have an environment with a lot of sensors, and if the cars can communicate to each other and with the sensors in the roads, this can help the traffic. If we have this help with the traffic, if we have smart or intelligent systems working with that, we can avoid accidents. We can also optimize some factors like fuel, and if we can reduce the fuel, we can have some advantages like reducing the carbon dioxide, so this is a good thing for the environment. And I also need to think about safety. Imagine that if we have a network of sensors and a network that we can connect to each other, if all cars can communicate with each other, so we can try to predict accidents. What NCAV is doing is really important, because I know that the UK wants to invest in these autonomous vehicles, and this is the future. In order to have this advance in technology for this kind of autonomous vehicles, we need to think about as a group. So we need to think about UK investing, and they need to have the right companies, the right people working together in order to achieve this, let's say, benefits for society.